Welcome back, garden founders. Be sure to stay until the end of this video for tips on how to incorporate biochar into your garden. Biochar is transforming gardens everywhere, and it's time you discover its magic. Imagine supercharging your garden soil, boosting plant health, and making your garden more sustainable, all with one incredible substance. That's biochar. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries of biochar, from what it is to how it can revolutionize your gardening game. You'll learn about its amazing ability to enhance soil health, improve plant growth, and yield bountiful harvests. Biochar is a form of charcoal, specifically designed for use in gardening and agriculture. It originates from organic materials like wood, manure, or leaves that are subjected to a process called pyrolysis. Pyrolysis involves heating these materials in the absence of oxygen, transforming them into a stable, carbon-rich substance. This method not only preserves the carbon, but also enhances the material's properties, making it incredibly beneficial for soil health. Biochar isn't a new invention. Its roots trace back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, particularly those in the Amazon basin, used a form of biochar known as terra preta, or black earth. These early agriculturalists enriched their soil with charcoal, creating highly fertile lands that supported thriving communities. This age-old technique is now being rediscovered and embraced by modern gardeners and farmers, proving that sometimes the best innovations are those rooted in history. Biochar offers numerous benefits that can dramatically improve soil health. One key advantage is its ability to enhance soil structure. The porous nature of biochar increases soil aeration, allowing roots to breathe and promoting the growth of beneficial microorganisms. Additionally, biochar significantly boosts water retention, holding up to 5 times its weight in water. This is particularly beneficial in sandy soils, which often struggle to retain moisture. On the flip side, biochar also improves soil drainage by preventing waterlogging in heavy, clay-rich soils, creating an ideal balance for plant roots. When it comes to nutrient retention and fertility, biochar truly shines. Its structure provides a high cation exchange capacity, CEC, which is the soil's ability to hold on to essential nutrients and release them when plants need them. This reduces the reliance on chemical fertilizers and ensures that nutrients remain available in the soil for longer periods. Studies have shown that biochar can reduce nutrient leaching by up to 50%, keeping vital elements like nitrogen and phosphorus where plants can access them, leading to more robust growth and higher yields. Biochar also plays a crucial role in enhancing microbial activity and soil biodiversity. Its porous surface offers an excellent habitat for beneficial soil microbes, such as bacteria and fungi, which are essential for nutrient cycling and organic matter decomposition. Increased microbial activity leads to healthier, more productive soil. Research indicates that biochar can boost microbial biomass by up to 30%, fostering a rich and diverse soil ecosystem. This diversity not only improves plant health by enhancing nutrient uptake and disease resistance, but also contributes to the overall resilience and sustainability of the garden ecosystem. Biochar is a game changer when it comes to boosting plant growth and yields. One of the most significant benefits is its ability to enhance root development. Biochar creates a favorable environment for roots to grow by improving soil structure and aeration. This leads to stronger, more extensive root systems, which are crucial for water and nutrient uptake. Healthier roots mean more resilient plants, better able to withstand environmental stresses like drought and poor soil conditions. Studies have shown that plants grown in biochar-amended soil can have root biomass increases of up to 30%, translating to healthier, more vigorous plants. The impact of biochar on crop yields is impressive. Numerous studies have documented substantial increases in crop production with the application of biochar. For instance, a study conducted in Kenya found that maize yields increased by as much as 88% with biochar use. Another study in China reported rice yield improvements of up to 25%. These increases are attributed to the improved nutrient availability, better soil moisture retention, and enhanced microbial activity that biochar provides. The result is not only higher yields, but also more consistent and reliable production. Biochar also helps plants resist diseases, thanks to its positive effects on soil health and plant vigor. By fostering a diverse and active microbial community, Biochar helps suppress soil-borne pathogens that can cause diseases. Healthy, biochar-enriched soils are less likely to harbor harmful organisms, while the beneficial microbes that thrive in these conditions can outcompete and inhibit pathogens. Moreover, the improved nutrient availability and root health contribute to stronger, more resilient plants that can better fend off infections. Research has shown that biochar can reduce the incidence of certain plant diseases by up to 50%, leading to healthier crops and less reliance on chemical treatments. Biochar is not only beneficial for plants and soil, but also offers significant environmental advantages. One of its most notable contributions is in carbon sequestration. When organic material undergoes pyrolysis to become biochar, the carbon within it is stabilized, preventing it from decomposing and releasing carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. This process effectively locks away carbon for centuries, making biochar a powerful tool in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Studies estimate that for every ton of biochar applied to soil, approximately 2 to 3 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent can be sequestered, making it a highly effective method for mitigating climate change. In addition to carbon sequestration, biochar production plays a vital role in waste management. The feedstock for biochar can include a wide range of agricultural and organic wastes, such as crop residues, manure, and even certain types of municipal waste. By converting these materials into biochar, we can significantly reduce the volume of waste that would otherwise contribute to landfill buildup or require energy-intensive disposal methods. This not only helps manage waste more sustainably, but also repurposes it into a valuable soil amendment, closing the loop in organic waste recycling. Biochar's impressive water retention capabilities also contribute to environmental sustainability through water conservation. Its porous structure allows it to hold large amounts of water, which can be gradually released to plants during dry periods. This is particularly beneficial in regions facing water scarcity, as it reduces the need for frequent irrigation. By retaining moisture in the soil, biochar helps maintain optimal growing conditions even in drought-prone areas, promoting efficient water use. Research has shown that using biochar can reduce irrigation needs by up to 25%, making it a practical solution for conserving water in agriculture and gardening. Now that you know the incredible benefits of biochar, let's get into the practical side. How to use biochar in your garden for maximum impact. There are several effective methods for applying biochar. One popular approach is to mix it with compost before adding it to your soil. This combination enriches the biochar with nutrients and beneficial microbes from the compost, making it even more potent when applied. Simply combine biochar and compost in a ratio of 1 part biochar to 4 parts compost, then spread this mixture over your garden bed and till it into the top 6 to 8 inches of soil. Another method is to till biochar directly into the soil. For this, you'll want to ensure even distribution. Spread the biochar over the area you plan to plant, aiming for about 5 to 10% biochar by volume of the soil. For example, if you're working with 1 cubic yard of soil, you'll need roughly 3 to 6 cubic feet of biochar. After spreading, use a garden tiller or spade to incorporate the biochar into the top 6 inches of soil. When it comes to quantities, the type of soil and specific plant needs will guide you. For sandy soils, which can benefit greatly from biochar's water retention properties, aim for a higher application rate, around 10% by volume. For clay soils, which benefit from improved drainage, a 5% application rate is typically sufficient. As a general rule, about 1 pound of biochar per square foot of garden area is a good starting point. Combining biochar with compost and organic fertilizers can amplify its benefits. The biochar acts like a sponge, holding onto nutrients and releasing them slowly, which enhances the effectiveness of the compost and fertilizers. To do this, mix biochar with your compost at the aforementioned 1:4 ratio, and add a balanced organic fertilizer to the mix. This creates a nutrient-rich amendment that boosts soil fertility and plant health. Spread this mixture evenly over your garden bed, till it into the soil, and let the magic happen. For specific plants, use biochar on those that thrive with rich, well-aerated soil. Vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens will benefit immensely from biochar's properties. Fruit trees and berry bushes also respond well, producing more abundant and healthier fruit. As you apply biochar, Remember to water your plants well to help the biochar settle and start working its magic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow gardeners, and subscribe to Garden Bound for more tips and tricks. Have any questions or success stories with biochar? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Happy gardening!